In this lesson, we will discuss terms and degrees of polynomials. Before going to a start, I will first explain to you what is the meaning of terms, polynomials, and degrees. Right? So, suppose the question is, in this question, it says find the number of terms in this polynomial. So, see, you should know before going to start this question what is the meaning of terms, what is the meaning of polynomials, then you can solve this question very easily. So terms, first we will discuss term. So here I have mentioned the definition as well, which is very easy. Terms are expressions or numbers that are added or subtracted. So see, this is n exponent 8. This is called first term. Plus 8 and 7, this is the second term. Similarly, minus 2 and 5, this is the third term. Plus 9 and square, this is the fourth term. So terms are expressions. These are the expressions. And 8, this is the expression. Positive n 8 n power 7, this is an expression. So term means terms are expression or numbers that are added or subtracted. See, this is positive, negative, positive. Then is the polynomials, the sum of several terms. So see, this is one term, this is second term, this is third term. So the sum of several terms, here we have 4 terms that contain different powers. These are the different powers, but the condition is the variable should be same. N. These are called the polynomials. Poly means many, right? The sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variable is called the polynomial. So now you know what is the meaning of terms, what is the meaning of polynomial. If someone asks you how many terms this expression has, so easily you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms. Terms are expressions or numbers that are added or subtracted, so it has 4 terms. Right? Move to the second question. Find the number of terms. Now you know what is the meaning of terms in this polynomial. First of all, you have to find out whether it is a polynomial or not. Polynomial, the condition is variable should be same. T. Yes, it has different powers. That is okay. But variable is same. All have T. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this polynomial has 5 terms. Move to the third question. Again, same thing. You have to find out the terms of this polynomial. You have to check whether it is a polynomial or not. S, S, S. Same variable. Variable should be same, but different powers. 8, 7, 5. That is fine. Yes, this is the polynomial. Now, how many terms? This is one term. This is second term. This is third term. This polynomial has 3 terms. Right? Terms are expressions that are added together. 3 terms. Polynomials added together have should be a same variable but different powers. Now is the degree of this polynomial. So I will explain to you what is the meaning of degree. The degree of the term is the exponent of its variable. See, this is called the exponent, power. This is called the degree. So this is the monomial, right? Because it has only one term. This is the monomial. So this monomial has 3 degree. The highest power is called the degree, right? To find the degree of the polynomial, find the term with the largest degree. It has only one term, so this is the third degree. But if you have 5 terms or 6 terms or 7 terms in an expression, you have to find out the variable which has the highest or the largest degree. In this example, suppose if I say find out the degree, so first of all you have to see this is the polynomial. Yes, this is d, right? Same variable, different powers. So the highest power is this. This is 4th degree. Degree is 4. And if I say term, how many terms this expression has? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms and 4th degree. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms and degree. The highest power of same. This is C, same. Same variable is same. Highest is 6th degree. And in this, again, this is the third term, 1, 2, 3, and the highest is A9. So this is 9. Degree is ninth. In this, degree is 5, third term, and the fifth degree. Right? Highest power of the expression is the degree. And polynomials, you have to see whether they have the same variable. That is fine, but the variable should be same with the different exponents, right? So in this lesson you have learned terms and degrees of polynomials. If still you have any question regarding these, you can write down in comment section. And thanks for watching.